If you'd like to check out a recipe for a really cool twist on the Mai Tai, keep watching and let's talk drinks. Hi everyone, guess what? I am back. Unfortunately, we haven't had time to film any content or videos for the last 6 months. It has been super crazy down here in Geelong. We're about to open up our new venue, non-disclosure bar. So today I'm going to film a bunch of videos to get up there and start uploading again. I want to talk about this book. Steve, the bartender, brought out the cocktail guide. I'm going to do a few of the drinks off this book today. If you haven't gone and checked it out, go and buy it. It's amazing. Shout out to Steve as well. I think you're going in for an operation today or tomorrow, so all the best, and we can't wait to see you back on your channel soon. So today I'm going to make a cocktail called the Bitter Mai Tai, created by bartender Jeremy Ortel, who also did the artichoke hold and the brand colada. Now I haven't tried this cocktail yet, so let's go ahead and make it. I'm going to then do a little bit of review on it. Let's go for it. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Campari. I kind of love anything with Campari in it. Bitter is definitely my thing at the moment. Next up, 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of a Jamaican rum. I'm going to use the Cane Rock. Now, Jeremy said that he wanted to use a Jamaican rum in this cocktail just to get a little bit of funk into the drink. Then 15 mils or 1/2 ounce. He calls for a dry Curacao. I don't have one in here at the moment, so I'm just going to use Cointreau. 30 mils or 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, which we squeezed about half an hour ago. It's really important always to use fresh lime juice. And last but not least, 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of some Orgeat. I always use Crawley's Orgeat here in Australia, made by the great man Jason up in Sydney. Gonna add some ice to that. Give it a nice hard shake. Oh, nice and cold. Try to open this up. Now, I'm not going to double strain it because this is going to go into a double rocks glass with pebble ice or crushed ice. So I don't need to use that fine strainer in this cocktail. Top that up with some crushed ice. I'm going to do it over the ice well so I don't get it all over the bench like I normally do. And for the garnish, have a mint sprig. Give it a little bit of a spank there. How simple is that? That is the Bitter Mai Tai. Time to give it a try. I'm really excited to try this. Wow. Okay, very well balanced. That bitterness is definitely at the forefront, but you're getting a lot of that Orgeat coming through. I can definitely taste the Jamaican rum in there. I probably would prefer a little bit more rum in there, but yeah, the Curacao, the lime juice, that's a really cracking drink. And I love that the mint, as I bring up my mouth to try it, I'm really smelling the aroma from the mint there. Great drink. Please everyone, if you would like to help my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it really gets our algorithm happening. So hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.